The music industry is undergoing a transformation, one that is not led by new genres or artists, but by artificial intelligence. As we step into an era where creativity meets technology, AI tools are playing a pivotal role in redefining music production, composition, and even listening experiences. Among the vanguard of this revolution are three groundbreaking tools: Brainfm, AVMapping, Songtell, and BeatOven.ai. Each of these platforms harnesses the power of AI in unique ways to not only enhance musical endeavors, but also to reshape the landscape of the industry as we know it. Join me as I explore how these innovative tools are setting new standards and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in music. First AI tool is Brainfm. It generates music that is designed to cater to your individual needs and objectives. This is in contrast to traditional music applications that rely on pre-existing genres. The primary purpose of Brainfm is to enhance focus, meditation, and sleep. The focus music employs gentle rhythmic impulses to stimulate the brain's attention system, effectively blocking out distractions. The relaxation music, on the other hand, utilizes soothing melodies and ambient sounds to calm the nervous system and reduce stress. As for the sleep music, it utilizes smooth waves and soft tones synchronized with the brain's natural sleep cycle, facilitating effortless slumber. Regarding the benefits and some drawbacks of this platform, let me expand further. The key benefits include enhanced wakefulness and improved productivity through increased concentration. It also aids in relaxation and unwinding by reducing stress and anxiety. Furthermore, it promotes better and deeper sleep by inducing a natural sleep cycle. The app can also enhance mindfulness and awareness, cultivating a state of calmness. As for the drawbacks, it is essential to acknowledge that individuals may respond differently to music and sounds. Lastly, some may find the monthly or yearly subscription fee following the free trial period to be unaffordable. The second tool I would love to talk to you about is called VMapping. Is an AI-powered web-based application that utilizes artificial intelligence to generate music and sound effects for your audiovisual content. This tool can assist you in creating engaging and professional quality audio and visual content in a matter of minutes. Let me share my experience. It is designed to save time for creators who are seeking suitable music for their projects. The tool provides a variety of music and sound options based on different emotions and genres. Furthermore, it can generate music and sound effects from scripts, summaries, and other inputs. This application also offers a profit-sharing model and a non-exclusive licensing option for musicians who wish to sell their music on the platform. I believe this is one of the best solutions available. You can simply visit their website, which I will provide a link to in the description, and give it a try. What I appreciate most about this app is its remarkable effectiveness in terms of AV content creation. Moving on, the third tool I would like to discuss is BeatOven.ai. If you are a creator or a musician looking for a way to generate unique and royalty-free music for your podcast, video, other projects, I encourage you to explore a platform powered by artificial intelligence that allows you to generate music and sound effects in real time based on your preferences. You can choose from a variety of modes, instruments, and other options. From my experience, BeatOven.ai uses advanced AI music generation techniques to compose unique, mood-based music for your projects. It provides royalty-free musical content that can be customized according to your needs. This tool can be particularly beneficial for music composers and content creators as it helps them save time and money. I will also be leaving the link in the description so you can visit the website and explore further. The last AI tool I would like to discuss is Songtell. It's an online platform that harnesses the power of music to provide personalized music recommendations. Let me share some key details about this AI-powered tool. It is designed to encourage music discovery by providing users with songs from different genres, artists, and eras. From my experience with this platform, Songtell helps users discover the hidden potential of their favorite songs. It offers a quick and easy way for users to understand the meaning and emotions behind songs without requiring extensive research. Furthermore, Songtell aims to pique users' curiosity and interest in exploring diverse genres in music. It also enhances users' appreciation and enjoyment of music by revealing the stories behind the compositions. Additionally, the platform can inspire users to create their own interpretations and opinions about music. I will leave the link to the Songtell website in the description as well. This concludes our video. We have examined some of the best AI-powered tools that are transforming the music industry. I hope the information and insights I have provided have been helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.